Hi. We are still in a corona time. We cannot be out with many people. Well, so we stay home. It's anyway the winter now. Snow is there. It's windy. So what is better to just be inside and do some DIY stuff. And as you all know, I got a laser here some time ago. And one of the things I wanted to do with Lightburn was to have a camera in the laser, but the K40 is not good for that one. I didn't want to use $85 plus taxes plus shipment for a camera to put inside there. So I got another idea that I also can use with design mechanics when I do stuff for my 3D printer, and that is to take a picture. So I bought this little camera here. I think it cost 15 euros, but you can also use whatever webcam you have. I had some scrap wood, I had some scrap aluminium, and I printed this with my 3D printer. Had some feet, so it became quite nice. And I made this board here with some lines. And with that now, I can, as an example, let's take this print board here. Well, imagine I want to cut out on the laser, I want to cut out acrylic plate, so I can put some screws in here and then put the board on. And okay, it's quite a simple project, so it would not take a long time to measure and then add the 4 holes. But for the purpose of demonstration, I use this board here. So the first thing I do is I place my print board, and I place it almost in the center, and I follow the lines. I made some lines that is aligned with the camera. In Lightburn, as you can see here, we have now a picture. When you connect your camera, you can just use it there. So first time you use this, why I use this print board, because I know it's 97 wide and 64 height, and with this I want to calibrate my view of this photo jig. So what I do, I trace the picture and I get this up here, and I want to have no thresholds at all because I only want the picture. I do not want a lot of other things there. And as you can see here now, it's my light is quite wrong here, so it's not easy. But let me now draw a square. I take it from there to there, and we came on 98. I need to be on 97, and I need to be on 64. So, and you can see here now that it's not totally accurate. We need to make the wide, or what I call the x-axis, a little bit smaller. So I go here now, and I choose here it seems to be good here. So it's important you have chosen I have 2 lasers here. I have a GBL and a K40, and I have to choose the K40 here, and then I save the settings. And now I have saved the settings. It will be with these settings I have done when I adjusted it to fit into my board here. So the next step is to make a circle, and I think we will do 4 millimeters. 4 millimeters. Here we go. And it's not perfectly in the center, but it will come that there. And now I do a copy of that with Control C, and I go here and add my pointer as close to the center I can do, and then I put Control V, and as you see, it came quite nice in here. And we go here as well, and I think we will be close to here. I should have adjusted my light, but comes a little bit wrong out. So, and we have the last one. That's what I want to do right now. Put it here and Control V again, and it looks almost perfect. Let's go down here. Some paper into the laser and see what's going on. And I want to use a speed of 10 and a power of 30, and that is because I use this carton paper here. Let's put it into the CO2 laser. So we finished with the cutting, and as you can see here, it came nice out of the carton. The small holes we just need to get rid of here. Cut nicely through. Now I'm excited to see if it fits. Let's take this one. And it fits perfectly. I don't know if you can see it. We got some light, but you can see the light is through here. So it works perfectly. We have now calibrated the camera for Lightburn. So this we can also transfer to Design Sparks as an example, but I want to go to my computer and we take a look on it when we are at Design Spark. So let's go into the other computer. So we are now in Design Spark Mechanical. I use Design Spark. It's easy to use and it's totally free. First of all, I want to have a top view down, so I click here on my Z-axis. Oops. There we go. And I want to show you something different. I want to show you the profile. You saw the aluminium profile on my webcam stand. And for that I wanted to design a top cover. I did already. But I got this picture from the manufacturer where I did buy the board. And it looks like this. So the good thing when you can get this type of drawings, it is quite easy to make these complex drawings without use a lot of time of measuring and so on. And I will show you what I mean. Here, we know that the exactly outside here is 60 and 30, 60 times 30. So let's go for that. Take it out here. Here we set 30 and we set 60 millimeters here. So I now click on my picture and I move it up like here, and I want to fit these outside walls. We're very close now. There. And we want to go there. Let me just pan it a little bit, like here. Select, I do my picture again, and as you can see, close to, we need this on the upper side. There we go. So you just continue to adjust it. So now we are there. I can make it a little bit, as you can see here, I just fade it out a little bit, the drawing. So the first thing I want to do now is to get these rounded corners here, so it will look nice. And I have this tool here, and I do the rest of these corners, and they will go in and say, that was too much. Here, and here we go, 4 millimeters. Well, and we need a circle, and I know from here that we have 6.8. I can see that here. So this is also very easy for us to do, because I want some pins to go in there. And you see here, there, it fits perfectly in, right? So the next is, you see this complex figure. I want for my boom, the camera boom, to slide up and down, and I also want it fits quite nicely. So let me just zoom it up a little bit, and I do the pan down here, and I use my line tool, and now we will draw on these lines. Here we go. Here we go. You can see it's very easy to make. So we want to extrude this now, and we do that easiest way too. Just wait, I want a second screen here. So now I can turn off my picture, and I go to my design page, and I want to pull tool, and here we go. And here I want 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters only. Then I have the profile that we just made here, and as you can see here now, I make that 20. So, and here we want some holes, and they are already there. But now, well, I should also have made the second one here, but now it's easily to put this down in the profile. I can set 2 screws on the top. Well, that's it, and now this is ready to be printed, and you see how easy it was to make this profile in a one-to-one session. Okay, thank you for watching. See you another day, another time. Bye bye.